y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy. Today I am doing a project share and a paper pumpkin alternative to show you. Before I get started, let me just share with you my October host code. It's right here. I'll also have it down in the description bar so that you can get that in case you'd like to place an order this month for any of the items I'm showing you or any other items. It's real easy. If you don't already have me as a demonstrator, just go up the top in the left hand corner where it says find a demonstrator. Go up there, click on that, put in my name, Tammy Dameron, for your demonstrator. Then you want to make an account with Stampin Up so that way you can go back and to Stampin Up. All your information's already there. You can save things, whatever, and be able to check on your order, all that good stuff. After you've made your account and you've got me as your demonstrator, start shopping, put things in your cart. Also, if you have made your account, see, that way if you need to leave stuff in your cart and then go back to it, you can do that, then go back, and it's saved in your cart. So that's another reason why you want to make your account. So then after you've got everything in your cart that you want, before checking out, you want to put in this host code where it says host code, and then just check out as you normally would. So that's how you do that. Need any help or anything, just get in touch with me and I can help you, but it's really easy. Our next kit for November will be Jolly Gingerbread. I'd like to tell you about a special promotional that I'm doing for this month through November the 10th. For everyone that subscribes to me through Paper Pumpkin and orders the Paper Pumpkin and gets the Jolly Gingerbread kit and subscribes to be getting the Paper Pumpkin kits, will get a free pass Paper Pumpkin kit. This means you need to at least sign up to get the 6 or the 12-month Paper Pumpkin, and like I said, you will get a free pass Paper Pumpkin kit delivered to you. So that means you get 2 Paper Pumpkin kits, 1 free. The first thing I wanted to show you, this is going to out to a new friend of mine. She has a channel here, and she's had been doing a challenge, and her name is Eileen, and Eileen Mack, and she does like Dollar Tree stuff. And I told her she wanted some cards and stuff, and I told her I love making cards. I would send her a card for her challenge. So she loves cats. Well, I thought this Paper Pumpkin that we have this time would be perfect for her with all the cats in it. So I made her a card using the cats, and of course this paper here is from our fall not fall, but our December. No, that's not it either. I'll get it out in a minute. Our catalog for August through December catalog, and it's the Plaid Tidings, and I love this paper. It's double-sided, all plaid. It's a 6x6 pack, and so I got that to go with the cardstock that I used. Oh, what cardstock did I use? Let's see. I think it was the, did I use black? No, it wasn't Blackberry Bliss. Goodness, what did I use? Oh, I must have used Mary Merlot. Yeah, that was it, Mary Merlot. But I could have used the Blackberry Bliss. Either one would have matched. So there's a lot of colors I really could have used. So I used that. Then I used, I don't know if this was Bumblebee or not. One of our new embossing folders. And it was this one. It comes in a 2-pack. And it's from the Greenery embossing folder. And you get 2 of them. And this one will fit that mini embossing cut and emboss die cut we're going to be getting. We don't have the mini one out yet. We do have the larger one though, so that one's out. But I use this one right here. And then I use some of these little elements here. That's In Good Taste elements, and they're real cute. They're little wooden elements, and they just pop out. You can paint these, stain these, or leave them natural. I just left them natural. And as you can see, there's all kinds of there's some little crosses and other little things, and these little things here, so that they're really cute. And after you pop them out, you can even use the outie parts. It's like a stencil or something. This ribbon was something from an older paper pumpkin from last year. Pumpkin pie ribbon. It's like a seam binding ribbon. Really nice. Had some leftover. So I always keep my leftover paper pumpkin pieces and ribbons and twines, and I use them on other projects. And this was some Peaceful Poppy sequins that I used, and I think this is on the clearance, if I'm not mistaken. I can't remember for sure, but I think that's on clearance. And then when you open up this card, I made it into a little pop out. So I hope you can see that real well. But yeah, it just pops out. The little kitty is standing on like a little sign that has put Happy Fall. And how I did that was, this was a piece from one of, let's see if I can get one out. This piece from the cat, of course, is from the paper pumpkin, and then this is just one of these. I cut one of the let me show you a full one. Got stuff falling everywhere. Here's one of the boxes, and when you pop out all these, this kit is so fun. You have this, and then, you know, you make your little box, and it makes it look like this, okay, when you turn it into a box. Well, you can do all kinds of things with it. You can cut it, and I've been having a lot of fun with them, actually. Excuse me. So, I'm all groggly today. You'll have to excuse me. The weather is getting to me. Fall allergies and all. So I'm losing my voice that time of the year. So anyway, how I did that is I just turned it like this and laid it down and glued both these sides down, and this part right here, I had it where it would pop up, okay, like that. and that's glued down, and then this piece is popped up. All right, and then that way I could glue something right here on this. So that's how you make your little pop-up piece. All right, real simple. Just make sure you don't glue this section down here. So the easiest way I did it was I bent everything down like that. I put glue down on here first, and then I put it down, laid my card down like this with this in it, and then I put glue on this side and did the same thing. All right, it's real simple to do. You just don't want to get glue down on the middle piece, all right, and you're good to go. And then I had one of the little die cut elements right here, the little elements, and I had that behind this little, it looks like a little fence, and that came from Arrange a Wreath. That's the stamp right there. All right, and I used Happy Fall. Let's see, where did I get that from? Oh, I used Happy Fall. I didn't use Y'all, I just did the Happy Fall. Okay, so that's all I inked up, and I put that in there. And then I also used the little pumpkin and the top of the pumpkin for down here on a piece of white cardstock, Whisper white cardstock, down here, so you could, you know, sign it and write something. And then I used the leaf and did it in different colors. And then I used some of the leaves from the paper pumpkin. Now in the paper pumpkin, you have stamps, and it's got leaves and a pumpkin and everything. But this pumpkin was really big. And then it has different leaves that are really small. It's got some flowers and stuff. But I didn't want that great big old pumpkin. And now I could have used the leaves, I guess, but they were really small. So I liked the leaves and this little pumpkin better in here. And that's what I ended up using. All right. The Just For You came from Celebration Tidings. Okay. I used that on the front. So that's how I did this card. Then I also did, this is just some stuff I'm giving her, some little extra things. I'll show you that in a minute. I also did, here's this, a little pocket letter. Now this is a perfect kit to do a pocket letter with, and I haven't done a pocket letter in years. So I thought, what a great thing to make with this. And a lot of these kits would be perfect to make pocket letters if you like to do those kind of things. And I know a lot of paper crafters love to do those pocket letters and share. So I made one here, and this is just, it's either the 1x1 or the 2x2 squares. Sorry about my voice, y'all. I did use the hello from the Hello Pumpkin, and all I did was just inked up the hello and stamped it on some Whisper white, and then used my banner pick-a-punch. I used this side right here and punched it. And then I used, this is just a tag, one of the pieces from the paper pumpkin, and everything else is also from the paper pumpkin that I used, except for, of course, the sequins. The paper is not anything from Stampin' Up or Paper Pumpkin. It's just something I had in my stash and had the cats on it, and I knew it would match perfectly, so I wanted to use that because of her liking cats. So that's just something I had that I wanted to use for her. So anyway, that's what I did, and it was double-sided, so, and it matched well, so that's why I wanted to go ahead and do that. Now, Stampin' Up though has great paper though that matches. So you don't have to use the, you know, worry about trying to use cat paper or anything. They've got plenty, like that plaid tidings paper would have worked wonderful. But like I said, I had the cat paper. She likes cats. I wanted to go ahead and just use it. There was no sense of me having it. And then I just put some of the little elements from the paper pumpkin in the back, and some of the sequins in a little baggie in the back. And then I've got my information here, and of course behind here is my address for her. So that's how I made that. I put a little bow out of that ribbon. It's really nice ribbon. It's that like seam binding ribbon. It's really nice. Feels real soft. So that's how I made these. And a little extra. I had these in my stash also. I believe it was something that I had won a while back, and something from Instagram, and a bunch of stuff. And it's just some little cats, those small sticky notes. There's 4 of them in here, so I just put them in a little package on some Whisper White cardstock there, and made a little topper. Okay, well, that was just made with a die cut I had. And then I'm gifting her a couple of those little boxes with some of the twine and some of the elements, and I stamped on some of the tags so that she could have fun making a few of these boxes if she'd like, the little treat boxes, and or whatever she wanted. I did a few of the stamps even and colored them for her, and I think I even gave some to her that weren't colored. I can't remember, but I just put a few little things, goodies in there extra for her to enjoy. So that is everything I gave her. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you like everything you see here, think I did a good job, yeah, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Share this video so others can see, and that really helps my channel to grow when other people see it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think, how you like everything. And if you're not a subscriber yet, I would love it if you would subscribe. Doesn't cost anything to subscribe to my channel. That is free. Let's YouTube know that you like to watch my videos and everything when you do that, especially when you go and click that notification bell and click all notifications. That lets YouTube know that you are wanting to get all the notifications, you know, from them of my videos. They'll let you know for each video. Each time I upload a video, they will notify you. Okay, and that really helps my channel out and helps it to grow when you do that. And then when you comment and give those thumbs ups and share, that really does help. So I hope you enjoyed this, and remember, here is my host code for the month if you wish to purchase anything and have any questions. Remember, please feel free to leave a comment down below, send me an email, and I hope y'all have a blessed day. There will be some videos at the end that you may like to watch, so come back and watch more, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.